With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. But it makes right, so he said.
And here comes Booger and Jacqueline and Matthew. This is Harold Thomas. I don't know if you remember him.
How you doing?
Yeah,
hey, Booger.
He's a
How
big
you
fan
doing?
of you and the show.
Yes,
Yeah.
we're a big fan.
I told Jerry I had a question for you.
Please,
What's that?
I want to know, how did you train that horse to fall without you getting hurt?
You won't believe it, but this past week I was riding a young horse getting ready for Road to the Horse, and I big waist 16 hands, stepped up on a bank about that high and come down, and I was just gonna ride it over, just to get the second ride ever. And that horse stuck its nose down. When it stuck it down like it's looking where to put his foot, and just done a nosedive and collapsed in the ground and flipped just like that in slow motion. I just flopped right out there on my hands and all, just like that, and that joker just collapsed and went down. Whop!
I had a big
said, I done did it
buckskin horse.
twice.
Do you remember Chester Walker?
Heard of it.
He was out at Corkscrew, you know, cowman. He had a big buckskin horse about 16 hand high, and I was riding him out at Carter Ranch way back in 1958. And a big old Black Angus bull went in the 500 patch, and I rode that young horse up in there. He wasn't fully broke, to run him out. And when that black bull come out of that palmetto and parted it, that buckskin horse went to bucking. And he bucked all the way out of that palmetto, and just as he got outside, he threw me up about that high, and I had a steel saddle horn on that saddle, an old Brock saddle. I come down right behind my, you know, on that saddle horn, and that ended my ride. I just melted one off the side. It was 30 or 40 minutes before I could ever get back on the horse.
This is my son Booger and his wife Jacqueline.
Hey, how are you?
This is that's Lisa.
Hi, nice to
Jack,
meet
Mr. Price, his daughter, Jackie Mildred Price.
Yep.
Yeah, I haven't seen her in 40 years.
He lifts the head in the upward position. We call this limbo, and what this does is puts the alligator in kind of a awkward position. So what he's doing now doesn't hurt the alligator. It's just a little awkward for him, and he won't hold it for very long. They're all sharp, narrow, and pointed. They're used for ripping, tearing, and crushing. The back teeth that are a little shorter and stubbier, those are for crushing, and the front teeth are for holding on to the prey and ripping and tearing when they shake back and forth or spin their body.
Filling up my lungs, my heart is beating like a fading drum. Lord, forgive me, here I come. Take me